Welcome back to MTI TV and our product spotlight on Prim Grip. Sam, I know that we call this a bond-promoting primer, but what does that mean exactly?
Well, a primer is used to make a substrate ready to receive that next layer. Prim Grip is a great primer, whether you want to go tile over tile or whether you want to go over a smooth surface and pour a self-leveler.
All right, I know that there are a lot of primers out there in the market. What makes Prim Grip in particular so special?
The secret and the magic is the aggregate. Prim Grip sticks really well to smooth surfaces, but it also has a special silica aggregates suspended in it, and that gives it a texture, something to bite onto. So when you're going tile over tile or you're pouring self-leveler, they can grab onto that aggregate and really get a good bond. Mapei was the innovator in this type of technology.
How does that improve a tile over tile installation like you were talking about a minute ago?
It used to be in the past that if you wanted to go tile over tile, you had to grind the tile down or chip it out completely. But you had to get past that glazed layer. It was too smooth. Otherwise, the mortar wouldn't bond with the smooth surface. With Prim Grip, you roll right over top of that. That aggregate sits up there, gives it a texture, and really gives a good surface to bond to and bite onto.
Is it a pretty easy to use primer?
If you can roll paint with a roller, you can use Prim Grip. When I use it, the first thing is I want to make sure it's shaken or stirred, however you want to get there. Make sure that aggregate's well blended in there, and then just use a 3/8 inch nap roller and roll it on. Roll it all the way over the floor. If you can see through it after an hour, you probably need to come back and put another layer on top. You don't want to be able to see through it.
All right, so that's some good advice. Is there anything else that we should keep in mind to make sure that we're doing it right?
Well, the rule of thumb is you're only as good as what you're stuck to. So make sure that you're going over a clean surface. There's no dirt, dust, there's no bond breakers, peeling paint, waxes, greases, any of those things. That won't let you bond. That's what you'll bond to before you apply Prim Grip. Then roll it on, and then you can go ahead, wait 2 to 5 hours, let it cure out, and then you can go ahead and pour your leveler or skim coat your patch or put your mortar on top of that. If by chance you go 24 hours and you don't have it covered over, then you have to go ahead and put another layer on top. But all that information is on our technical data sheet.
All right, so I'm going to summarize now. Prim Grip is an easy to apply primer. It enhances the bond between a smooth, non-porous substrate and a cement layer like a mortar or a self-leveler, and it can also be used for a patch. Prim Grip is great for tile over tile and for bonding to smooth substrates like epoxy, terrazzo, and smooth concrete. And if people want to learn more, that they can check out our technical data sheet. So Sam, is there anything else we ought to keep in mind?
Well, remember that we do have phone numbers that you can call about any of our products. For help in the US, that number is 1-800-992-6273. If you need numbers for another country or for more information about other products in the Mapei lineup, please visit www.mapei.com or download our app.
All right, so thanks, Sam, and thank you for joining us for this product spotlight on Prim Grip.